Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to restore old YouTube layout. So this is a very easy tutorial. First you just have to open your YouTube and the latest version of YouTube is like this. It has huge thumbnails and also the videos is kind of huge. With the old layout, you will see little versions of thumbnails and videos. So what you're going to do to restore the old layout of YouTube is first you have to go to Google Web Store or Chrome Web Store. Tap the very first link here and it will take you directly to Chrome Web Store. Now, the next thing to do is you have to search for the search icon or search box. Here you have to look for Redux or you can type YouTube Redux. It's like an extension that you need to add to your Google Chrome. Okay, so first tap this one with this YouTube icon, so YouTube Redux, and then click this add to Chrome. And then after that, the next thing to do is to tap this add extension. Okay, tap this add extension right here, and it will be downloaded directly. And the next thing to do is you have to pin this one. Okay, so you have to go to extensions icon and then tap this pin. Okay, pin icon, and then you will see it right here. Now, the next thing to do is you have to go back to your YouTube and then refresh or reload it. Then you will see the result. As easy as that. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to suggest any topic, please do comment down below. And see you again in our next video tutorials.